Shep, all told, the Attorney General is asking for about $35 billion, and it's an 11% increase from the current level. And the areas of what he's asking increases on are notable. He's asking for an extra $101 million to combat domestic terrorism. He's asking for $33 million for the Civil Rights Division. And let's have a listen to what the Attorney General said on that front.
From protecting voting rights to prosecuting hate crimes like those experienced by our Asian American and Pacific Islander communities during the pandemic, DOJ's civil rights work is critical to protecting the American dream.
Now, there was some Republican opposition, Shep, particularly on the request for increasing, extra money to combat gun violence. Let's have a listen now to what Robert Aderholt, the Republican congressman from Alabama, said to Merrick Garland about that.
I'm concerned that if implemented, this budget would irresponsibly invest taxpayer dollars in initiatives that lack the proper grounding in evidence or in science, such as the highly questionable gun buyback schemes.
Now, the Attorney General did note that there would be no gun confiscation program. And besides, I'll add that the DOJ does not have the power to do that without an act of Congress, nor is it asking for that power. Overall, this is a substantial break from the priorities of the Trump administration, which did not focus on the issue of domestic terrorism, which did not put a premium on enforcing the existing gun laws more aggressively than they had been in the past, which instead focused more on things like immigration, MS-13, and gangs and drugs coming over the border, and also going after drug possession and use at home, even things like marijuana, which got some pushback from the other side. So this is this budget request reflects the priorities of the Biden administration substantially. Shep.
An all-new DOJ. Sawhill, thank you.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.